Are you smashing your keyboard like a mad murloc, trying to hit every spell in your heroic raid rotation? What if a single button could outperform half your guild's complex sequences? While some of us are memorizing spreadsheets for optimal damage, Blizzard just dropped a hotfix making one-button rotations shockingly effective, especially for arcane mages. The June 27th hotfixes specifically boosted the single-button assistant for arcane mages, letting Laydrinker and other talents shine with minimal effort. Yes, it's real news. Imagine casually pressing one button in a heroic raid, yet your damage explodes past players meticulously executing 20-spell sequences. The future is gloriously lazy. So ditch those complex guides and embrace the simplicity. The true endgame might just be playing less and performing more. Go forth and one button dominate.